Andarki Namaskaram. I am Sri Haripriya, and as I have promised, I will be teaching you Carnatic music in a series from basic levels to that of advanced. Many of us consider music as an emotion or a life and many other ways. I believe music is a language. Let us all start learning this musical language. And before entering into the lessons, let us first know some basic points about music. I am not going to confuse you with so many terminologies, but I have chosen 4 basic terms which every Carnatic singer is supposed to know. They are Swaram, Ragam, Talam and Shruti. Many of us are familiar to these terms, but are we really familiar to what they actually mean? Don't worry, I will be telling you the way what I understood. Let us get into the first concept, Swaram. What is a Swaram? Do you all remember the first day of our school? First we learn alphabets. We combine set of alphabets to form a word. We combine a set of words to form a phrase. Phrase to sentence and sentence to paragraph. Similarly, the same happens in music. Swarams are the alphabets of musical language. We have 26 alphabets in English, where we have 7 swaras in musical language. They are Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Tha and Ni, which are called as Saptaswaras. The Saptaswaras combine together to form a musical note, and a set of musical notes form together to make a beautiful song. So now we are very clear about the concept of Swara. Let us now move into the concept of Raga. What is a Raga? A set of Swaras which can produce a beautiful tune is called as Raga. What is this set of Swaras? In musical terminology, Arohana and Avarohana together is called as set of Swaras. Let me tell you what is Arohana and Avarohana. Arohana is nothing but ascending order of Swaras. Avarohana is nothing but descending order of Swaras. Let me show you how does Arohana sound. Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. I have started from a lower note and ended it to the higher note. That is ascending order. This kind of note is called as Arohana. Let me show you how does an Avarohana sound. Sa, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. Here, I have started from the higher note and ended it in the lower note. This is called as Avarohana. Now sing the Arohana and Avarohana together. Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. Sa, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. So, we have formed a beautiful tune out of Arohana and Avarohana. This is called as Raga, as simple as that. Every Raga has its own Arohana and Avarohana. To be clear, let me give you one example. C-A-T, cat. To make the word cat, we have not used all the 26 alphabets. Similarly, to make a raga, we need not use all the 7 swaras. Only particular swaras are taken to make each raga. Let me give you an example. Sa ga ma dha ni sa. I have sung Arohana of Hindola Raga. Here there is no Ri and Pa. Only 5 swaras are involved in this raga. I will give you another example. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. I have sung the Arohana Avrohana of Maya Madava Gauda Raga. In this raga, all the 7 swaras are involved. There are some ragas which have all the 7 swaras, and there are ragas which do not have. So finally, this is the concept of raga. And next, let us move to the concept of tala. I will give you the best example to make you clear. Whenever you listen to a music or a song, you try to adapt your body to the rhythm of the music. We start shaking our head or tapping our feet. That is what talam is, as simple as that. To maintain the whole song in a particular rhythm is called as talam. Here in Carnatic music, we have 7 main talas which are called as Sapta talas. Talam is divided into 3 major parts. They are Laghu, Dhrutam and Anudrutam. Laghu is indicated with 1, Dhrutam is indicated with O and Anudrutam is indicated with half moon shape. Let me tell you what is Laghu. A tap and count. It can be any number of counts. And Dhrutam, a tap and a turn. And Anudrutam, it is a single tap. So this is about tala. Let us now move to the concept of shruti. Here, I am not going to explain you anything, but I will let you experience how to sing in shruti. I have a Tanpura droid app which I will be providing the link in description. First, try to listen what the exact sound is. Let us now try to match our voice to the pitch. Sa. Have you observed one thing? My voice and the shruti sounds like the single sound. I will tell you another example. Here you can identify 2 different sounds. One is my voice, another one is the shruti. This is not how we are going to match the shruti. Try to match your first letter with the shruti. Sa. Going to retain as a single sound. This is the concept of shruti. I have tried my level best to make you understand about all the 4 concepts. If you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Also, why did I tell you all this without starting the lessons? Until and unless you learn these terms, you will not be able to understand my further lessons. And in my next video, we will be starting the music lessons.